What a
Tough work somebody has to do.
Now, this show's called Catch Big Fish from Small Boats, and I should probably give you my definition of a small boat, because small, after all, is a relative term. A 14-foot John boat on a 3/4-acre farm pond can be a pretty large boat in the scheme of things. And that same boat on the Gulf of Mexico, well, that's pretty darn small. Now, a 40-foot sport fisherman alongside a cruise ship is a small boat by comparison as well. So one person's small boat can be a mega yacht to another person. For this program, let's define small boats not necessarily by length as much as those designed to comfortably fish 1 to 4 people. They're practical to trailer, and they're propelled by outboards, a single inboard, or paddles.